Hello and welcome to T-fixy. Fixed your tech-related problem. You can write a comment about your problem and we will try to make a video with a proper solution. On Android, recording WhatsApp audio calls is a rather simple process. Therefore, you can use your Android smartphone to record WhatsApp voice calls by following these instructions. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store and search for the Cube Call application. Step 2. Download and install it on your Android smartphone. Step 3. Open the Cube Call Voice Call Recorder application. Step 4. Click Next and grant permissions. Step 5. Following that, click on the Enable App Connectors. Step 6. Swipe down Accessibility to select Cube ACR App Connector and switch it on. Step 7. Next, choose WhatsApp from the options. Step 8. Now, call anyone from WhatsApp and the calls will be automatically recorded. Step 9. After the call, go to Cube ACR and listen to your recorded voice call.
Hello.
Subscribe to our channel, follow our page, like the video and share with your friends and family now.